This video it's message to my brother Antonio Balanlay. Happy birthday for you for tomorrow on Sunday. Happy birthday. Thank you for the support. Thank you to be my followers. And thank you for not giving up on me, for supporting me. And I will support you too hanggat sa makakaya ko. Maraming salamat kapatid sa pagsuporta sa akin. At susuportahan ko din kayo hanggang sa makakaya ko. So happy birthday sa'yo bukas. Happy birthday kapatid Antonio Balanlay. I love you.